Let's begin with the big story of the hour. The NDA MPs have started arriving already for the meeting that is scheduled in the Parliament House. The Union Home Minister Amit Shah has already arrived for this meeting. The Prime Minister will be chairing this meeting, and it is going to focus, of course, on the government stance on the anti-paper leak bill that has been introduced in the Parliament. Today, remember, discussions will be taking place. Yesterday, even as the bill was tabled, the opposition had continued to demand there should be a discussion on the police excesses, because of which there were multiple disruptions. But now indications coming in that after a intervention from the Speaker, the opposition is ready to participate in the debate. So today we are going to see discussions, and the NDA MPs are currently meeting, and interestingly we are also seeing MPs who have now extended their support to the NDA coming in. As Pragya was telling us earlier, there are the MPs from the breakaway TMC faction, those who left the Aam Aadmi Party, all part of this meeting. My colleague Pragya joins us on the broadcast now with the details. Pragya, so interesting meeting of the NDA, of course, after multiple days, 6 days of stormy sessions in the Parliament today. There are indications from the opposition that we are ready for a debate. So tell us the details of what's happening in this NDA meeting today. Okay, all right. We'll go back to Pragya in just a moment. Niyamika is on the broadcast with the details. So, Niyamika, the opposition strategy has been clear. We are going to be holding discussions today. We are ready for a debate. And meanwhile, we're also seeing the NDA readying its strategy. So, all right, we'll try and reconnect that line with Niyamika as well. My colleagues Pragya and Niyamika are getting us the details of both sides, the government's stance and the strategy going into the Parliament, and also from the opposition side, because now indications are coming in that the Congress party is also ready for a debate. It's ready for the discussion to go on. Remember, until yesterday, the opposition had been saying that there should be a discussion on police excesses. Niyamika is back with us. Niyamika, what are the details? Now, currently, the NDA meeting is going on at 10 a.m. We're also going to see the opposition meeting.
Well, yes, indeed, Pratibha. Today there is an opposition parties meeting at 10 o'clock, after which it will be decided that who all are going to be the speaker from the opposition side regarding the anti-paper leak bill. We have seen that yesterday the government as well as the speaker had reached out to the opposition side because of the continuous disruption which we had witnessed in both the houses in Lok Sabha as well as in Rajya Sabha, because of which there was no discussion which had taken place in the Parliament.
Just a moment, Niyamika. I'll come back to you in just a moment. We have visuals coming in of the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister has arrived for this meeting as we stay live on these visuals of the NDA meeting. So the Prime Minister has arrived for this meeting. He will be chairing this meeting. And of course, remember, the Prime Minister has also been at the forefront of ensuring that the government is reaching out to the protesters and reaching out to the students through multiple efforts from the government side, action as well as also an outreach from the government side. Pragya is on the broadcast. So Pragya, we are getting in visuals. The Prime Minister has also arrived for this NDA meeting. Take us through who all are in attendance and what the focus of this meeting is going to be.
Well, the whole of the Prime Minister's cabinet along with NDA MPs are there in the meeting. This is important because this is where Prime Minister gives direction and also speaks to NDA ministers on the current subject and also the relevant happenings that are expected. So all the important issues are touched upon by Prime Minister in this particular meeting, and also these MPs get direction and a sense of urgency and also policy that government wants to promote and also wants to go that in that direction is where this meeting becomes very important. Secondly, Prime Minister has arrived, and this is the first such meeting post the resignation of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. Hence, it becomes very important. The new Education Minister Prahlad Joshi has already arrived, along with Mr. P.P. Chaudhary, former Union Minister of Law, and all the MPs are also present here. We are expecting 2 presentations from the Ministry of Fisheries and Commerce on trade deal, and this is what we expected.
Okay, all right. So that meeting is currently going on and we're looking at the visuals. Of course, the NDA will also be readying its strategy, isn't it? Because the NDA has also, at least the opposition believes that the NDA or the government has been on the back foot with these protests. The protests had taken place in the national capital, and the education minister at the time, Dharmendra Pradhan, resigned from his post after massive protests. So the opposition sees this as the government being on the back foot, which is why the opposition is now adding more pressure to the government as well. So the government is now readying its own strategy going into the parliament, because yesterday, remember, despite the resignation, despite the multiple actions taken by the government, the opposition did not allow discussions in the parliament. Let's talk about what the opposition strategy is going to be. So Niyamika, we are looking at the NDA, and we are seeing visuals of the Prime Minister chairing this meeting. Apart from that, of course, the NDA also has stronger numbers this time around in the parliament, because we are seeing breakaway factions of the TMC and the Aam Aadmi Party also being a part of this NDA meeting. So that's what we're seeing on the NDA side. What about the opposition? What are the details?
Well, the opposition believes that it is not about the number game, but also, it is about the kind of voices, the kind of concerns which are being raised by the opposition parties. They are of the view that it is very much necessary to ask the questions from the government of India regarding the alleged brutality which was being shown on the part of the Delhi police personnel against the protesting youth on 28th of July, and that is what we have witnessed. Adjournment motion notices which have been given from the opposition MPs, as it is being made very clear that they are going to participate in the paper leak, anti-paper leak bill, but also going to raise this question upon the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, that whether it was the direction which was been given by the Home Ministry, because it is the Delhi police which comes under the Home Ministry. So why such kind of lathi charge was being done, why the usage of pellet guns was being done against these protesting youth, because of which many of them have got severely injured. So all of these questions are going to be raised, and we can expect that even the LOP Rahul Gandhi may also speak over this entire matter when it is going to have a discussion within the Lok Sabha. So it is going to be really interesting to be seen that what all are going to be the speakers from the opposition side, because they are also focusing on the youth of this country. So it might be possible that the young faces from the opposition side will get a chance this time to speak within the parliament regarding this entire matter.
Okay, all right. And we're told that a similar strategy is being used by the NDA as well. It's the young MPs who will be leading the debate in the parliament, and they will be speaking up, including Basuri Swaraj as well as Tejaswi Surya of the BJP, and the allies of the NDA will also be speaking up. But again, it will be the young faces who will be leading this entire debate. Niyamika, is there any word on who all from the opposition can speak up? Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who are the other likely names from the Congress and from the India bloc?
Well, Pratibha, the Congress list of speaker hasn't been shared till now, because there will be a discussion which is going to take place in the opposition parties meeting, that who all are going to be the key faces from the opposition side to have a debate within the parliament regarding the paper leak issue. But it can be expected that the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, may speak within the Lok Sabha, because he was the one who was at the forefront in this entire matter, be it about the protest or even the various press conferences which was being done by Rahul Gandhi. He has been continuously raising a question upon the government of India, in fact also demanding an apology on the part of the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. So all of these matters are going to be taken into consideration.
All right. Just a moment, Niyamika. Just a moment. My apologies. I'll come to you in just a moment. We're getting in visuals from the meeting, the NDA meeting that's going on. These are visuals from the meeting. The Prime Minister, of course, chairing this meeting, the NDA MPs in attendance, the breakaway factions of the TMC, the Aam Aadmi Party, and a lot of new entrants as well in this meeting of the NDA. It's a very crucial meeting, because the NDA is not just going to decide on the strategy, but is also positioning itself to take on a very united opposition, because over the last few days, and especially on the issue of NEET, the opposition has united. So today in the parliament, even if we see discussions, it's going to be a very united and a stronger opposition that the NDA is going to be facing. Of course, in terms of numbers, it is the NDA that has an edge. From the previous session to now, very clear edge that the NDA is going to have as far as the numbers are concerned. So this is also the NDA's way of putting up that show of unity, a show of strength ahead of the session today. And the government is also going to be listing out the strategies on dealing with the opposition, answering the opposition. There will be a question hour as well. And also remember, the opposition is also going to list out the steps that it has taken, including the fast-track courts, including setting up a task force, including bringing changes in the NTA. So these are some of the action points that the government will be mentioning as well. So these are the visuals of the meeting. The NDA MPs are currently meeting. This is in the Parliament House, and the meeting started at 9:30 a.m. But if this is the meeting of the NDA on one hand, on the other hand, we're also going to see the opposition leaders meet. That meeting is scheduled at Mallikarjun Kharge's office at 10 a.m. today. The opposition leaders will be meeting, and until yesterday, they had been very adamant that there should be a discussion on the police action on the protesters. But after the speaker's intervention, we are told that the opposition is now ready for a debate. So the tougher anti-paper bill has already been tabled, and now we're going to see discussions in the parliament today. So, Niyamika, coming back to you on that as we continue being on these visuals of the NDA meeting. Today, the parliament, we're going to see the parliament function, isn't it? Very different from what we've seen in the entire last week when there were multiple disruptions, because the opposition is now ready for a debate, ready for the discussion.
Well, yes, indeed. We have seen that how there were continuous protests which had been done on the part of the opposition MPs in the last week, as well as yesterday as well. The continuous sloganeering which was being raised by the opposition MPs within the parliament, that can be now is being resolved, as now the speaker has also reached out to the opposition side, and finally even the Congress party is also on board. They are also going to participate in this discussion upon the anti-paper leak bill. However, the floor strategy is going to be prepared at 10 o'clock in the meeting of the India Bloc parties. But it is being made very clear that the opposition is going to participate, but they are also going to raise questions upon the Union Home Minister Amit Shah regarding the police action which was being taken on 20th of July, because they are stating that this is also a very important concern of which they want to raise, that these are basically the students, the youth of this country who were just trying to raise their concerns, but it was the police who had shown this kind of brutality.
Okay, all right. So what happens in this NDA meeting? What is the Prime Minister's message going to be? And of course, in a few moments from now, the opposition is going to meet as well. What is their strategy going to be? It's going to be very interesting to see, and we get you those details from both the NDA meeting, the Prime Minister's message, and the discussions from the opposition camp as well. For now, slipping into a very quick break here. We'll be right back.